Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you a quick project using the same transfer with just an old envelope that is no longer, it was a shipping envelope. So it's pretty easy to use, and we're just going to place our transfer on it, get everything ready, and we're going to use chalk paste to get started. So let's get going. This color is eucalyptus. It's a very pretty greenish blue color. I'm just going to do the border. I have pre-waxed this surface since it's paper so that my transfer will not pull up any paper onto the back where it's sticky. And I'm trying to put it on thick enough that it won't have any problem adhering since I've waxed it. And we are going to do the paste and pull technique, paste and peel, whatever you want to call it. Since we are working with multiple colors and it's a little bit larger transfer. I think I have all the areas cleared, so let's go ahead. We're going to do, this color is shimmer shadow. We're going to do our bicycle in that. And I am using a multi-purpose tool for this, since it has a nice small squeegee. Try to get in these little tiny areas. It's a little bit more challenging. Just take your time when you're working in those spots. This multi-purpose tool is perfect for that. And then the next color, we are going to use our eucalyptus for the little basket as well. That is a little more challenging because it's so close. Just using the corner of my squeegee. And the last color that we're going to use right here on the very top is, actually I'm going to use my detail tool since it's so small. I am using Colonial Blue. And then we're going to paste and peel that part, pull it back, and then lay it back down, and then smooth out the next area. This area we're going to do in our Colonial Blue. This is the February club transfer. Don't forget, this month only, we're calling it Clubuary. If you sign up for the club in the month of February, you will get 5 free transfers of previous club options from last year, the year before, or the year before that. It's a mix. We don't know which one. It's going to be a surprise. And if you're already a club member, you will also have the ability to earn 5 free transfers if you order $60 or more on my website this month. And that will show up at checkout. It'll let you know. Now this transfer can also be broken up into parts. You don't have to use the whole transfer. You can use bits and pieces of it, just like with any of our transfers, to create other projects. And we should be done. Pull it back. Ta-da! All finished. Now what I will do is I will take my X-Acto knife or scissors, and I'm going to trim around the outside of this to make a little, almost like plaque. So I think it's going to turn out great. Thanks for watching.